recommendations. If Trump continues to self-immolate like he has this week, he will be out of the race before the Iowa caucus.
Oh, completely.
No chance.
I mean, Trump could.
Here's the other thing I don't get. On a gravel road, it has really low rear
Trump
grip.
could say nothing
Really?
Yeah.
for the remainder
Like the
of
back
this
wheels
race.
spin like so
Never
easily.
visit
I don't know
Iowa
why.
ever again. And just
Maybe because more
never
of the weight is
appear on
outside the
camera
truck.
ever again. And he'll get like 25% in the Iowa caucuses. Okay?
I'm trying
I
to
mean,
skirt the edge.
we're still talking about a former president here with a formidable amount of loyalty and support. So let's not go nuts here. Okay? You guys know I am nauseated in general by this is the only hope, I hate that crap. I hate that fearless leader stuff. You know, I can't stand it. And I wanted to make that point last hour too.
Nice and clean before.
The reason why I don't like Trump going after DeSantis
In fact, it was all nice
has
and
nothing
clean
to do.
before.
Again, I don't have a personal relationship with Ron DeSantis.
Wheels were all shiny.
I have had now in the last month 2 10-minute conversations with Ron DeSantis. 3, because he called me after I got out of the hospital. I forgot about that. 3 10-minute conversations with Ron DeSantis, and the previous conversations I had with him was one for 10 minutes in a hallway 10 years ago. I have no personal relationship here. I have personal relationships with people who are on his campaign. I have personal relationships with people who are close to Trump. If you know me for more than 10 minutes, you know personal relationships have almost no bearing at all on what I will say. They might have a bearing on when I'll say it. Like if I do have a personal relationship, I'm going to probably, because of that relationship, give you the max benefit of the doubt before I jump right on, you know, and pull the pin and launch a grenade.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the trailer
how many
having
years?
no grip.
You know this.
No,
If inevitably, I think the
truck
pin needs to be pulled. Have you ever seen me not pull it one time?
So
no matter who it was, no matter what the prior relationship was.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. That's one of the reasons why Mike Huckabee hasn't spoken to me in 10 years. That's why. Okay? So, I will. So this isn't personal. It is, I like the fact that DeSantis has fought on our issues.
Right. But there's that much other weight distributed around the other fields, I guess,
he attacks our issues, guys. Like, I don't care if he says Ron DeSantis was too fat. Now, Ron DeSantis lost weight to run for president. I think Ron DeSantis is ugly. I don't give a rip about any of that crap. When he attacks him for standing up against COVID, he's attacking the truth of the example that we need. There's a small group of people that are the reason why you're still not wearing masks everywhere, and Ron DeSantis is one of them. I don't care what he thinks about him personally. He can call him a traitor. He can say he's not any good. I don't care about any of that stuff. I don't. If I had a personal relationship with Ron DeSantis, I might care, but I don't. At least not right now. So when he attacks him on his record, he's attacking what I believe. Does that make sense?
Yes.
And that's what I don't like. Who likes it when their beliefs are attacked? Raise your hand. When you say that they didn't fight COVID, as many of these Trump people are saying on Twitter, that is a lie. I don't like lies. Now, here's what's funny. You present to me the ad from Trump that I've mentioned several times already. That is on my Twitter feed. Go see it right now, @SteveDayShow. You present that ad, and suddenly all the disdain I have for the lies that he has said about DeSantis' record completely go away. Because now the message is, I'm who they hate, and I'm your retribution against them. I like that message. Why do I like that message? Because I'm looking for retribution. I'm looking for it against the people that punished me and what I believe. I'm looking for retribution.
Wait, let's go put the roll bar up.
When someone gives me a message that affirms my belief system, follow me here. This is going to be really nuts and crazy, guys. When someone, no matter who they are, or what I think about him personally, I can't stand Trump's public persona. I don't care. Keep overturning Roe v. Wade, move the embassy to Jerusalem. I don't need any more buddies. I'm good. I got all kinds of people that I like and love. Wouldn't vote for them for dog catcher. All right? So here's how this works. Really complicated process. When your messaging lines up with what I believe, I'm favorable to it. When your messaging it opposes what I believe, I'm unfavorable to it. Thoughts?
That's deep, man.
That's Jack Handy level of depth right there, and you're only going to get that on this show, folks.